EVK Ilangovan, who calls Prime Minister a madman, and right after that, Rahul Gandhi has launched another personal attack at the Prime Minister, saying anyone who speaks like him must be taken to a psychiatrist. We have Ankit joining us with more details on this personal attack, another personal attack on the Prime Minister.
Rahul, I believe, was responding to the Prime Minister's remarks that he has been sent by God to do this duty. And on that, Rahul, speaking at a rally, sharing his video, wrote, जैसी बातें प्रधानमंत्री आजकल कर रहे हैं वैसी बातें कोई आम व्यक्ति करे तो आप उसे सीधा मनोचिकित्सक के पास लेकर जाएंगे, which means if any common man says the things that the Prime Minister is saying these days, you would take them straight to see a psychiatrist. So once again, it's essentially the same kind of attack. They said that the Prime Minister needs a psychiatrist.
Right. So one Congress Neta says that the Prime Minister is talking like a madman, and the former president of the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, says that the way the Prime Minister is speaking, anybody who speaks like that must be taken to a psychiatrist. We have Nyamika joining us in the broadcast. If the High Command is itself making such statements, can one really expect that the other netas will be pulled up by them or reprimanded by them?
Well, absolutely, as we have seen yesterday, that how Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had made fun of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement as he was addressing a rally which had taken place in the Simapuri area of the North-East Delhi constituency, in which Rahul Gandhi had come out in support of Kanhaiya Kumar. And in that particular rally, he had taken a jibe over Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement, in which he has mentioned that he has been sent by the God for this country, and for that reason now Rahul Gandhi had mentioned about this statement of Prime Minister. And he said that if any common man would start speaking like this, the manner in which Prime Minister is speaking, then he should have been taken to a psychiatrist. So that is a personal attack which Rahul Gandhi has made upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding the recent statements of PM, and in which he has also mentioned that during the time when there was a COVID wave within the country, at that point of time Prime Minister Narendra Modi had asked the people of this country to use the flashlights of their phones. He has also mentioned about the various statements which are being given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he said that it is very much necessary that he needs to be taken to a psychiatrist. So that kind of attack is being made by the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi upon the Prime Minister.
Thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest. For the moment, a quick break.